I've got to talk to you about somebody. This woman is a cruel wench. I mean, she shows favoritism towards some of my subscribers, and she hates me. Or she hates the people that live in the area that I'm in. I am talking about Mother Nature. Mother Nature is a cruel wench. It wasn't enough that when we had the Ring of Fire annular solar eclipse, that she developed it into a cloudy day so that none of us could see the thing here in Montana. Oh, everyone in California could see it, couldn't they? And even across the U.S. But no, not in Montana. Why does she hate us? I don't understand this. Why does Mother Nature hate us? You want more proof? Okay. It's about this week. Once in a lifetime event, Venus transit. The transit of Venus. Next time it's going to happen is the year 2117. Oh, California was able to see the thing. And it wasn't enough. It wasn't enough that she clouded up the skies to prevent us from seeing it. No, that was not enough. What this had to do was cloud up the skies, create major storms, and even about 15 miles away from where I live, touch down about 3 or 4 tornadoes, causing extensive damage, even some damage to a person's habitat, even down further south, and just blowing away the countryside. Yeah, what the hell is wrong with her? What is it about us that she just hates? I don't understand this. We got the transit of Venus. We got the tornadoes. We got numerous power outages. By the way, I'm glad that I didn't decide to do a vlog that night, because once I would have been 15 minutes into it, the power goes out. I didn't even have the pleasure of seeing America's Got Talent that night, because one of the local translators for NBC went out of service. It's all her fault. Stupid. Why would she do this? Why would she hate us but love those people in California? I don't understand this. Now, folks in Seattle, they might comfort us a bit, but it's little comfort. This is the last straw. This is it. I hope everybody has a good day, and I'll talk with everyone tomorrow.